So guys, private sector is completely different from government sector. To get a job in private sector, there is no examination form which we have need to fill. If you have ability, you have passion, you have technical skills, so you can easily get a private job. Sir, we can't say that government jobs are better than private jobs. It seems because of benefits which government sector provides. I want to share difference between government jobs and private jobs. First is login time. There are fixed working hours in government jobs, but in private sector you have flexible timing, which means you have to complete your task at any cost. You have to stay in office. It doesn't matter when you arrive. And second is job security. Government jobs has 100% job security, but private job has not 100% job security. And third is leaves and holidays. There are limited leaves in private jobs, and on the other side, in government jobs, government sector don't allow to their employees to work on government holiday. And fourth is offers benefits. Private sector offers for outings, offers for traveling abroad, and government sector offers for pension, for medical facilities, and for concession in getting loans. And the fourth point is work from home. So this is the option which many private companies provide to their employees. If there is a situation where you can't physically be present in office, so you can request and choose to work from home. And on the other side, in government job, this option is not available, sir.
Okay.
So it was all about my topic. Sorry if I bored you.
Satyam, how are you feeling now?
Sir, I am feeling much confident.
Did you used to speak English before joining England Institute?
No, sir, I didn't used to speak English before
What do you
joining.
want to say about England Institute?
Sir, England Institute is the best institute of English language in Farrukhabad district.
Okay.
It is situated at Naglanan in Fatehgarh.
Speak something about your father.
Sir, my father name is Mr. Gautam Singh Burma. He is an advocate and he works in Civil Court Fatehgarh, and he also works in Railway Court Fatehgarh, sir.
Okay. What do you want to be?
Sir, I want to be a successful businessman.
Okay. What type of business?
Sir, I have no idea how can I explain, but I just think that I have my own shopping mall in which I can manage lots of product for the customer.
So, these all things you are dreaming
Yes,
when you
sir.
sleep at night. What time do you get up early in the morning?
Sir, I get up at 8 o'clock.
No, you know, a successful person gets up at 4 o'clock and just make the strategy for complete day. Then he become a successful person. You know Akshay Kumar.
Yes, sir, I know.
What time does he get up early in the morning?
Sir, I don't know.
He gets up at 4 o'clock every day. And it is long time he has been getting up in the morning at 4 o'clock, and he completes his task till 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. He do shooting at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. He does shooting. 6 बजे वो शूटिंग कर लेता है, जो उसको रोल करना 6 बजे कर लो भैया, ठीक है. So will you try to get up in the morning?
Yes, sir, I will try to get up early in the morning.
Okay. What is the importance of English?
Sir, as we all know that importance of English is an international language, and without English we can't survive in our life. English is a very useful language.
Okay. What about your qualification?
Sir, I have just completed my diploma
Okay.
from civil engineering from Government Polytechnic ETA,
Okay.
and now I am studying in class 12th.
Class 12.
Yes, sir.
Where are you studying?
Sir, I am studying from Ahmedabad, sir.
Where do you want to see yourself after 5 years?
After 5 years, sir, I just want a rich, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But you know this is not possible without hard work.
Yes, sir. Without hard work, this is not possible.
Okay. Will you try to do hard work?
Yes, sir. I will try.
So guys, clap for him.